Next one, finding the value. We will have one expression and also the value of the variable will be given. Here the expression or the polynomial given is x plus 6. If x equal to 4, find the value of x plus 6 if x equal to 24. Here we have to substitute 24 in the place of 6x. So 24 plus 6 which is equal to 30. That is the value of this expression. Then second expression given is 20 minus of m plus n, with the m is equal to 6 and n equal to 3. Find the value of this polynomial. Here also we can substitute these values, that is 20 minus of 6 plus 3. M can be replaced by 6 and n can be replaced by 3. So 20 minus 9 which is equal to 11. Okay. Last year when you started studying the algebra, you make the algebraic expressions. I think so, you have studied it. So likewise, here also you can find the or devise the formula from the given statement. Here you can see the selling price S of a guitar is equal to the cost C plus the profit P on it. Okay, so you can find the formula using this. From this statement we are making the formula. Selling price is equal to cost price plus profit, that we know. So we are using that symbols used there for selling price, that is S is equal to cost price is represented by C and profit is represented by the letter P. So S is equal to C plus P. Okay. Now second one, the area A of a rectangle having length L and breadth B is the product of its length and breadth. That is a statement given. We have to find the formula from this. Here also we studied that area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Here A is denoted by area is denoted by capital A, length is denoted by small l, and breadth is denoted by small b. So what is the area of the rectangle? A is equal to L into B. Okay, so we have studied three things in the in today's class. That is, first one, degree of a polynomial, which means we have to find the term having the highest power. That is the degree of the polynomial. If only one variable is used there, we can approach, we can find which which variable having the highest power. If combination of variables are coming in one term, then we have to find the sum of the powers of the variables. First find the sum of the powers of the variables, after that check which one is biggest, then that respective term will be the respective number will be the degree of the polynomial. Then we studied how to find the value of the polynomial if the value of the variable is given. Just to substitute the values in the expression or given polynomial and calculate it according to the sign. Then last one we studied how to find the formula from the given statement. So there we are using the letters which denoting the different terms. Here S represents the selling price, C for the cost price, P for the profit. So S is equal to C plus P. That means here we are finding the formula, means we are creating equations. Okay. Here also A is equal to L into B. A represents area, L means length, and B means the breadth of the rectangle. Okay. Then I am giving the homework means the remaining questions given in 6A. Some of the questions we had done here. So the remaining questions you must do. Okay. You must do that questions as the homework. Okay. You can prepare this chapter well for your examination. Later I will give the next chapters.